Welcome to our guide on how to find an old liked comment on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings section. Select Account Center from the settings menu. Then tap on Your Information and Permissions to manage your account data. Tap on Access Your Information to view your Facebook activity. Select Your Facebook Activity to see all your interactions on the platform. Under the section for Comments and Reactions, tap on Likes and Reactions to focus on comments you've liked. Scroll down through the list to locate the desired comment that you've liked in the past. By following these steps, you can easily find an old liked comment on Facebook to revisit your interactions and engagements. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to find an old liked comment on Facebook. Explore these steps to rediscover your liked comments and engage with the content that resonated with you in the past.